Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a super excited video, and I know you guys have watched what it's called and what it looks like and everything. So I got a Louis Vuitton purse and I've been wanting it for a really long time, and I was always like, no, like I don't need it. I don't need to get it. Like it's so expensive for like a purse. And then I just decided, I was just like, I've just gone through so much, and if I wanted the purse, just get the stupid purse, Courtney. So I went and I got it, and I just got it like literally today. But I went to Louis Vuitton and I like tried them all on, and I'm like, oh my god, this is it. Like this is totally it. So without further ado, that was not right. This is what I got. I'm super exciting. Even just the bag is like so like glorious. I keep wanting to say that, but I know that's not the correct word. But like it looks so fabulous, you know, like even just the bag, and it's like super thick and it's just awesome. So then when you take it off, it comes out like this. So it looks like this, and they have a nice little bow on it. Let's tie it. I don't know if I can keep this on. Nope, I'm gonna have to tie it. So let's tie it together. Yes. All right, so then once you open this, I'm gonna put it down, and then, oh, it flips like this. And it goes like this. And then it opens to the bag. Super exciting. So it's a really nice like box. So then it looks like this. It looks awesome already. I'm super exciting. And this is just like the thing to put it in here. I don't know what it's called. Sorry, I don't know what it's called, but this is what it looks like. And then you open it up, and then dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, it's just so perfect. It is so perfect. So this is the Louis Vuitton Never Full MM. So it looks just like this. It just looks so good. Yep, and it smells great. And yeah, so there was like all the different colors. You could have the like nude one, you could have red, and then there was like a fuchsia one. At first I was like, I'm definitely getting the nude one. That's just like the normal one. And then when I looked at all the three colors, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally getting the fuchsia one. So on the inside it looks like this. So here is the inside. This is, I just can't believe that I have it, you know, like I'm so exciting. It's so exciting. So it just looks like this on the inside, and it just looks so pretty. I don't know if it's turning, I don't know if the color is like working perfectly. It kind of looks red, but it is really fuchsia, and oh, there you go. And it is just perfect. So when you get it also, it comes with the thing here, so that's really awesome. It has like the zipper in here, and then you can have, this comes with the card, and then you can put like other stuff in here as well. So you can see here, and then there's like another little stop right here, and then it has the zip here, and it has the Louis Vuitton right here, and then this will probably just go in here. But I just absolutely love it, you guys. Like I can't even, like I'm so happy with this purchase. I know that I just got it like literally like 2 hours ago, or not even, probably like an hour and a half, but I'm so happy with it. So I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see what it looks like on the bod. It's just perfect. I don't think it's too big. Like it's not too big. It's like the perfect size, and you know, like it just looks so good. I was thinking about the big one, and then I was thinking about the really small one, and I looked them all and I was like, no, this one is like the perfect size. I just absolutely love it. I love that it gives you enough of like room right here to like put it up here, or you can put it on the bottom down here also. Like I just think it is so cute. Don't you guys just love it? I'm so happy Again, I'm seriously so happy about it. Like, I just absolutely love it. I can't wait to like put my stuff in it and just like, you know, like I'm super excited. But this is the purse. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know down below if you would like to see like when I like finally like get my stuff and like put it all in here. Let me know if you want to see like what I have in my bag video and stuff. Let me know. I don't know, do people still watch those videos? Yeah, I'm just smiling. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys liked it. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go put all my stuff in it, and then I'm sure I'll be taking tons and tons of pictures soon because I just love it. Like, I seriously love it. I'm so glad that I got it. Like, I love it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.